In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the author widget that comes with LifterLMS. This is just an example course template that I set up in the theme builder. So you can see immediately we have some options over here, such as turning off and on the profile picture, as well as the display name. You can also change the HTML tag of the display name, and you can also turn it into a link and have it either link out to a website or all of the posts that the author has created in a post archive. Similarly, you can choose to enable the archive button here that will also link out to all the posts that author has created. This also lets you change the text of the button, so for example, you could just say posts and it would change the button to that. You can also change the layout of how these elements are displayed. For example, this first option allows you to change where the picture is being displayed on the left, above, or right of the text, and the second option allows you to align the text to left, center, or right. This next option lets you show or hide the label that appears under the author's name. By default it says author, but I'll show you how to change it in a moment. You can also change the styling of all these elements in the Style tab. You can see there's plenty of options for changing the alignment, size, and shape of the author image, as well as changing the color and typography of the text. If you chose to have an archive button, you can also change the styling for that under the button section. I'm going to head back over to the content section because I skipped an option right here that says Biography. And this allows you to show and hide the biography of the author. However, I don't have one set, so I'm going to show you how to set a biography as well as change how your name is being displayed. So we're going to go back to the dashboard and click Users, and then select the user you wish to edit, and scroll down until you see biographical info. Whatever you type in here is going to show up in the author widget if you choose to enable the biography option. So I'll just type something for an example. If you look a little bit above that, there's an option that says display name publicly as well as a drop-down menu that gives you some options for how you want to display your name on the front end. If you wish to display your name differently than any of these options, you can change your nickname right here and it will also show up in the drop-down menu. Once you're happy with these, you can go down here and press Update Profile. Now let's go take a look at our course page to see if our display name and biography are showing up properly. And there we go, my biography is appearing as well as the correct display name. If you'd like to change which author is assigned to a particular course, you can edit that course inside of WordPress. And there's an option over here on the top right with the LifterLMS logo that gives you control over which author is being assigned to the course. If you'd like to change it, you can click the X right here and it will get rid of an author. In order to add a new one, make sure you search for the person you're looking for or no options will appear. Then click Add, and here's where you can change the label of the author if you want to do that. Then we'll just click Update, and we can view the course to make sure our changes are being applied. And sure enough, the author has changed as well as the label for the author.